ABCD ट्राई कर दो ABCD। ठीक है मैं पेन लगाऊं तो बोल जो हो। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, E for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, K for duck, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for man, O for rat, P for peacock, Q for monkey, R for rose, S for swan, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for love, Z for zebra. M से monkey. O for ant. Hello. A for elephant. K for kite. F for apple. K for kite. C for cat. I for ice cream. N for monkey. What means? Ready. Q for? Kobin Rani. Next piano? Berry piano? Tiger याने? बाप. Umbrella याने? छत्ता. X याने?